Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my holiday binder. I have $50 in prop money. So let's get into it. Let's see, where did we stop? Valentine's Day. All right, let's start with that. Who do we have? We have Budget with Carly. Let's go ahead and roll. We have 3. Let's go 1, 2, 3. And that is $5. And it says 65. So $5 go into there. Next we have is Easter. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budget. Says 55. And we got a 1, so let's go here. And that is a 3. Should I go again? Nah, oops. For $3. 1, 2, and 3. Next we got is birthday. I do want to do a few on here. So that this is created by Snow Garden 307. 5. This side says 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is a 3. And let's do another one. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, what is that? Oh, that is a hot 10. I knew that one's going to be a high one. So $13. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we have this side. We'll see if we could come back to that side. And that side is $80. Okay, that's the buffer. So we're going to go back to the beginning. These envelopes just gives me the pits with this binder. All right, we got Thanksgiving. This is created by Bookish Mama Budget. It says 45, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is a 5. Almost finished with this one. 5 buckaroos. And then we'll be closing out Thanksgiving, I think, yeah, after this challenge. Black Friday. And this is created by Budgeting by Dina US. Say 75 on this side and 45 on this side. I think I was going with this side this time, I think. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's a 2. Should I do the other side? I don't know. One, 2. What should I just do? Ooh, I don't know. I don't know how big these numbers are. 10. Let's go ahead and do 1. I might regret it. Okay. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No way. Another 3. I take it though. All right, $3. All right. So let's get these 2 out and put a 5. All right, $5 going into here, and that's for Black Friday. And then Christmas. This is created by Cajangirlcreates on Etsy. And what page am I on? I am on this page. This page says 65. Should I try to finish this page? I'm just gonna see. Okay, that's $1. So yeah, we might as well finish this page for 65. So that's $1 and what is that? A 5. So $6. All right, I like that. Like that, like that. Another page done. So 5 and 6. So this should be 65. That's 50, 60, 62, 63, 64, 65. Yes, $65. So let's go ahead and put, where is me pen? Where's my pen at? Oh dear. It's all the way over there. I got another one. Okay. So it's in the high yield savings plus 65. So 118 plus 65 is 183. Perfect. All right. Ooh, put that back in here. And then we will go on to this page, which is $78. Or should we do a bigger amount? Because we have $100 one here. I don't know. I'll see which page we'll do next. So that was Christmas. Next, we are moving to New Year. So we got 1, 2, we still got at least like $10 left. So let's do, let's see, this created by Bookish Mama Budgets. Says 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is that, baby? A 5. Oh. So $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. Okay. So $5 and going into New Year's. And then we back to Valentine's Day. What I said, $8. So I scratch another one. I really need to finish up this birthday one because I have a birthday in October. So let's scratch one on this side. Oh, baby. T, why did you do that? No. Look at me being greedy. I should just did a couple 5s. Or 1 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have $1 IOU. Womp womp. Why you guys didn't stop me? So do I even have an IOU thing in here? No. See, I have this. I need, where's my, let me get my little sponge here. Wipe that off. And put the $1. $1. All right, and we'll put that here. And let's put the paper clip there so I remember to start there next time. But we did finish one for Christmas, so that is great. And we're going to keep chuckling along. I'm feeling very good with saving for the holidays. And I just can't wait. I feel ahead of the game just a little bit. All right, gems, that was $50 put into my holiday binder. I want to thank everyone for your love and support. If you haven't already, go check out my Etsy or my Kofi. There are some wonderful things there. All digital products. On my Kofi, you will find more freebies there. So go check it out. Also, if you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.